Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the transactional reports to track employee productivity by using a pivot table. You're going to start off by going to Reports, hitting Reports, and going to the bottom and hitting Transaction View. Now the transaction view is all the transactional actions that happened in Razor. So what that means is we're tracking items that are allocated to an order, audits, items that are broken down, buildups, how many items were deleted in the facility, equipment sales, invoiced ARs, invoiced APs, qualified items, how many items were scanned in, scrap items, how many items were shipped, what kind of stock moves were done. So you're able to track a lot of actions done by all your employees in your facility throughout a date range time period. So in this example, we're going to go to date range and we're going to look at this quarter and we're going to apply the date range view. And what I'll do is we'll hit at the top Excel export, and that'll generate a file so we can download and open in Excel. Once the download is complete, hit the Excel file, open it up. Now at the top you can notice the date range that we're looking at, 9/30 to 12/31. So if you look at it, we have a ton of different columns: transaction date, barcode, location, asset tag, customer, the equipment may it came from, customer code, action type, the manufacturer, part number, serial number, sale price, HESI, revision, title, condition, and the category of the location. And one of the most important columns is the user who committed the transaction. So what we'll start out with is we'll go to the top, put your cursor on transaction time, and hit Insert Pivot Table. And then hit OK. So what this is going to do is going to allow us to create the pivot table. So we're going to start off and we are going to grab the user and drag it into the rows section. And then we're going to take the action and move it to the action on the rows. And you could grab actions, user, drag it into the values column, and that'll give us a summary of, or the sum of the action counts. So you can see here during that range, the admin did 1,355 transaction types. You can see what he allocated, what he audited, what kind of items were broken down, built up. So what this is good for is when you tell a set group of people that you need to do stock relocations today, or you have to scrap items out, or you have to do relocates, you have that functionality of tracking what they did for that particular date range. So if it was today or was it for the week, you'll be able to pull up these reports and compare them week by week, month by month. So in this case, you can see that the admin obviously did most of the work here. Then you can see the different users on who did what for that specific range. So I hope this helps in looking at the reports and analyzing the data to make decisions on what you're going to do next.